Hello, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to install Joomla radio station site template, which you can see on our site. I'll show you how to install this template. For this, please go to your hosting cPanel. As you can see, our first video tutorial about how to create MySQL database. This is second step, how to install Joomla template. We already have database, now we should install template. For this, please find a button named File Manager and click on this. Then go to your public HTML folder. If you would like install template in the root of your website, you can do it here. But in case if you would like install it in any other folder, you should create this folder. In our case, we will create in Joomla, general Joomla folder, and click on folder button and name your template. As we already have radio, we should name it, for example, Radio Joomla. Radio Joomla folder has been created successfully. Enter into this folder, and now we should upload Joomla installation zip package, third version. Click on upload and find this file in your computer, in your local computer. We have this template number, ID number is 290, just I'll find it. Here is, and I have here Joomla third version. Click on open and upload this file in your. Now we should extract this zip package. It has been extracted. We can click on reload. It's extracted. We should delete this zip package, and now we should go and start installation process. For this demo, we have here we have Joomla. Yes, that is. Now we can start our installation process. First, write site name, Joomla radio station. We can copy and paste it in the same folder. Admin email is critical. We can use standard username, for example admin, and standard password. Same password should be confirm and click next. Then we should write username. It is your base username, then password. Database name, and for table prefix we should go in our template zip package and click on documentation. In the documentation we should scroll down and find section prefix, this section. We should copy this prefix which is in documentation and paste it in this field. Then click next and click install. So Joomla has been installed successfully. We should remove installation folder. Thank you. In the second video tutorial I'll show you how to install theme, your template in the Joomla. Thank you. Bye.